Okay, Satyaprakash. Satyaprakash.
Own MLA they are saying.
Vijay Prashad is not worried at all. It is you who should be worried. After all, there are so many discordant voices. Yes.
Padmaja, all those who are Mungeri Lals, all the Mungeri Lals who are seeing Haseen Sapne, we have no problem. We have seen hundreds of Ugadis, we have seen hundreds of Deepawalis, nothing is happening. The problem with this BJP is they don't have capacity to win people's mandate to come to power. They are seeing Mungeri Lal ki Haseen Sapne when this government will fall. But I want to assure
Mr. Satyaprakash, I think the Haseen Sapne are people who are in the DK Shivkumar faction. The most Haseen of Sapnas are being seen by them.
Haseen Sapne are congressmen.
पूरा नहीं होगा बीजेपी ये जो मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने कभी पूरे नहीं होगा कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट is
We are not worried, sir. It is you should be worried. Look at
the guarantees. He's asking to keep quiet here.
D.R. Patil is disturbing your sleep, sir. Your Haseen Sapne is not disturbed by us. It is your own congressman.
But sir, on a serious note, it is not every day in every party that you've got an MLA, a minister who says, you know, I think there's going to be a change in chief minister. I think we are going to have a handover of power. Last year also you had ministers, MLAs saying that we are going to see the baton being passed. It is within your own party that people are saying these.
See, Padmaja, there's nothing wrong. BJP in last term had 3 chief ministers. Every 1.5 years they change their chief minister.
Sir, you're talking about Congress, sir. Why are you talking about BJP is not in power now? BJP is not in power. You talk about Congress.
This is national channel and you should know as a spokesperson, you should know to keep quiet. Yeah, thank you. See, what I'm trying to tell is
DK Shivkumar has all the right.
Mr. Prashad, one at a time,
I don't want to listen to your sermon.
Mr. Prashad, one at a time.
Yeah, thank you. Please have some common sense. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, see, what I'm trying to tell you is DK Shivkumar has all the right. He has done enough hard work. He has all the capabilities to become the Chief Minister of Karnataka. But the point is, as on today, the Chief Minister's chair is not empty. As and when the Chief Minister's chair is empty, he is one among the contenders. There's no doubt in it. Like Mr. DK Shivkumar, there are many more. But the point is, Siddaramaya's government is doing a fantastic job.
Okay.
Look at the 5 guarantees. 58,000 crores is reaching.
Okay, we will talk about the 5 guarantees in a second. Mr. Rajgopalan. Mr. Rajgopalan, there is no vacancy.
Mr. Rajgopalan is not an authority. Neither he is a Baba to tell what will happen in Karnataka tomorrow. And the way he is speaking now, he is speaking as if Mr. Mallikarjuna Kharge calls him every night and reports to him what happens in the Congress
this is not an analysis, Mr. Rajgopalan. Please, no personal comments. Okay, then you tell us who's going to become Chief Minister. What happens to the promises made? Okay, Mr. Satyaprakash. No comments, no personal comments, please. What happens to the promises made? There was a promise made apparently to DK Shivkumar that there would be a rotation, of the Chief Minister's post. What happened to that?
Yeah.
Padmaja, one second, let me come in, sir, Padmaja.
Who told you that there is a rotation? Who told you?
2.5 years. 2.5 years is coming to an end.
Who told you?
You know, Dasara, you will have a new chief minister. That is what your own MLAs are saying. Yes, I am authority. Yes. There is a serious difference between Mallikarjuna Kharge and Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi is not at all following the lines of Mr. Mallikarjuna Kharge. There is a big split in Congress. There is a big split in Congress.
Okay.
In Karnataka, the government is going to collapse by September.
Okay, interesting. So now you are discounting the possibility that there was any such promise ever made. Remember, the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has also said that no such understanding. I'm going to come back to the other side.
What happened to Katakat? They are increasing the fare. Katakat ho gaya. There is no money for giving freebies.
Satyaprakash, and leave everything else aside. No one can read the mind of the High Command just as yet, the Congress High Command. But what I can tell you on record, and again today you had the Excise Minister of Karnataka, R.B. Thimmapur.
The government is going bankrupt. Reserve Bank has issued.
Okay, let Mr. Satyaprakash answer.
A journalist should not become a spokesperson of BJP. Thank you.
Yes, I am. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean by what do you say that? Congress is
Rajgopal
going to
no
be doomed in
fair.
Karnataka.
Mr. Rajgopalan, one at a time.
Rajgopal
he
is
cannot come
journalist, he
personally
is no
on me. I said
Swamiji.
he cannot take my answer.
Rajgopal is no astrologer
Karnataka is
to
going
tell what is
doomed.
happening in
Okay,
Karnataka.
Mr. Prakash.
Kumar is going to be the chief minister.
Mr. Prakash, don't worry about Mr. Rajgopalan. Answer the MLAs and ministers who are speaking out in public and saying our work is not being done. Mr. Parmeshwar says there is no money. Mr. Timmapur says
If all what you are saying is right, for a moment, let us assume. How can Karnataka?
Don't assume,
become the
it's on
second
record,
largest
it's in
GST
public.
contributor?
Do you want me to play out for you
Please
what
give
Mr. Parmeshwar has said?
See, you also don't come in between, yeah. Give me at least 2 minutes when you ask a question. You have asked a question, and I'm going to put the Congress government's
Yes.
point of view. Give me 2
Answer.
minutes. See, if all what you are all saying is right, Karnataka will not become the second largest GST contributor to this country. If all what you are saying is right, Karnataka will not become the second highest FDI has come into Karnataka. If all what you are saying is right, Karnataka has produced the highest jobs after Maharashtra
Wrong information.
India.
Wrong
Karnataka-
information. Why should Karnataka go for loan from Reserve Bank of India?
I think you please change there and put his name as BJP spokesperson, because the BJP guy is not speaking, he is speaking. You should be
You
neutral.
are misleading.
One at a time, please. One at a time, Mr. Rajgopalan.
You, as a journalist, you should maintain the ethics of a journalist. You should be
I'm
neutral.
maintaining because Karnataka is under threat. Karnataka is
You should be
having
neutral
a
in this
financial
debate, Mr.
problem.
Rajgopalan.
Karnataka
You
is
should
in financial emergency.
you should
Why
uphold
it's
the
not
dignity of
moving in
a
Okay,
Karnataka?
final 10 seconds. Final
Look
10
at
seconds.
that.
Internal problems may be there, but ultimately maybe power will be the glue that holds them together.
See,
Mr.
Padmaja,
Prashad,
Padmaja,
final
see,
10 seconds,
what-
yes.